Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this very interesting underwater photo and video camera. It comes with some absolutely stunning features. It has a dual display in the back and in the front. And of course this can be super helpful, especially for selfies. Then we have a built-in zoom, we have a built-in video light, comes with a TF card, 64 gigabytes, really large, comes with the batteries. And it's not just a little bit water resistant, it's actually really waterproof down to 11 feet or 3.5 meters. So in most of the in-ground pools, no matter how deep you go, it won't damage the camera. Super important. Also for snorkeling, shouldn't be a problem. Usually nobody goes deeper than 11 feet. So could be the absolute perfect camera for this summer. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get, how to set it up and how you can use that in the pool. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. Okay, so let's open the box, see what we get. So here on top is the camera, everything nicely protected. Yeah, watch this thing, looks absolutely amazing. What a beauty. And so down here we have the accessories, USB-A to micro USB charging and data cable. You get also a hand strap and we get a large 64 gigabytes storage card. And despite supporting standard USB-A, it comes also with a charger. And we get 2 batteries, cleaning towel, instructions manual, and even a really nice storage and carry bag. So we get full set. And so we need one of these batteries. And so setup and usage are very easy. Of course, we have to open this lid here to insert battery and the microSD card. So we hold it like that and we push up this safety latch here and push the whole thing to the right side. And we have access. And so the battery goes into the camera like that with the yellow label on top when we see the screen on the back. There's also a safety lock here. We have to push this a little bit to the right side and then just push it fully inside and then it will lock automatically. And then we have to insert the microSD card. When we have the camera like that, the pins go down. So we push it inside like that here on top in this slot. Just push it deep down with your fingernails. It has also a lock. And when we have the camera like that, very good idea to charge both of the batteries now. While charging we get the red light. The batteries come already with some decent pre-charge, so you can use the cameras actually right away out of the box, but of course it's highly recommended to give a full charge. And when the battery is fully charged, we can remove the cable, just close it, make sure that safety lock is in the locked position again. And I really love this lock here because it's really not going to open. I've tested that already in the pool and there was no way this would accidentally open. And that's super important because I've already lost a GoPro, because with the old GoPro the locking mechanism was not safe. So this is much better here. What's also a great feature is this standard 1/4-inch tripod mount. So we can use it like that for longer recordings, time lapses or for selfies. Also make sure that you remove the protection here. And then here we have the on-off button. You can see we have the welcome sign here, but of course it supports only one screen at the same time. So if you want to use the screen here in the front, we can push this button here and then it switches to the front. It's absolutely amazing, super easy. And so we are ready to shoot because it has some very good default settings. So usually you don't have to change anything. The only thing which you have to do is to just switch the mode. Here we are in the camera mode. So we push here and then it goes into the video camera mode. We see all the settings here really nicely. We see the resolution, we see how much time is left on the microSD card, and we see some more options. And when we push the mode again, it will go into playback mode. So we can play videos or photos directly from here with left and right. So we can go through all the recordings here, pictures and videos. And to play, we press here on top, like confirming almost everything. Push again on top. And you can see It's playing nicely, really decent player already built in. But of course you can also remove the micro SD card, put it into a computer, attach it to your mobile phone with a card reader, or just use the micro USB cable and connect it to a computer. So we have plenty of options. And when we push the mode again after the player, it will go into the normal general setup. That's for example the language, date and time, auto power off, key sound, and so on and so on. And we press here again, and then it goes back into camera recording or picture recording. And this is how it works. We just push here lightly a little bit, and while we are holding here, the autofocus is working, and as soon as we get the green frame, we can fully push down and then it will take the image. So this is how it works. We have even a zoom in and zoom out function here on top. We have also a light which we can activate because we have this light here in the front. So we have some decent illumination here, works really nice. By the way, this works also for video recording. You can see that here, really nice light. And we get confirmation here, so you don't have to guess, very important. And the video recording starts really fast, you can see, so you don't have to wait for the autofocus. It works instantly and then you can stop it again. So we have really a lot of information here. We can see what's going on, but of course we have much more because there's another screen on the other side. Now when we have it like that, there's nothing to see, but as soon as we hit this button here, it will switch to the front screen. So this screen will then turn off. So we just push here short, then you see it's going black, but at the same time you will see what's going on the outside screen. And the really awesome thing is it's not just a very basic screen, you get almost all the information also here. Real colorful live view with pretty much all the information which you need. So you can do awesome selfie videos and pictures. By the way, we cannot switch while it's recording, so we have to stop the recording and then we can switch to the other screen again. And so I've been using this camera now for a while. It has been working absolutely awesome. I mean, of course, it's not a Sony, it's not a GoPro. By the way, we do not only have general settings, we have also settings, of course, for the video camera and photo camera. So when we are in this mode, for example, we are in the video mode, we hit the menu button and then we can see and change all the settings here. For example, we have different scene modes. So we press here on top when we are here, scene modes, and you can see we have so many different scene modes, of course also automatic, and so we can choose whatever we want, left, right, and here we have also up and down, and whatever we want we confirm here. And so we have different scene modes, we have different resolutions. Here at the moment I've been using 1080p, but you can also choose higher or lower resolutions. And we have different beauty modes, other special video modes like motion detection, even time-lapse recording, time-lapse photo, slow motion, so many things, time-lapse settings, different exposure, white balance, different sharpness, and so on and so on. Really plenty of possibilities. And same thing, of course, also in the normal camera mode. When we are here, you press the menu, and then we have similar things. We have the scene modes, we have different resolutions, beauty, shooting, self-timer, exposure, white balance, quality, and much more. That's absolutely amazing. So we have so many settings, and this has been definitely working really good for me. I've been using this camera now for a couple of days, also especially in the pool, and it was absolutely amazing. What I like here is how easy it is to use. I didn't even have to look into an instructions manual. Everything was super intuitive. What I also like here is how long the battery lasts. I've been shooting very long videos and a lot of pictures, and the battery lasted.
and it was definitely fully waterproof. I've been even diving down to my robot vacuum cleaner in my pool, fully 6 feet down, and there was absolutely no water inside. What I also realized that it was still recording with the microphone, so it has built-in microphone and speaker. So let's do the microphone test here. Microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so I play the sample here for you. Microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so I would say the microphone is definitely decent for this class. And again, it works even underwater. That's an absolutely amazing thing. And I've been shooting a lot of pictures and videos. And what I realized is that pretty much all the pictures and videos have been good. I think I had only 1 or 2 pictures out of focus. This is pretty amazing. Of course, I would recommend to use this camera mainly during the day, but of course you can also use it during the night, especially for close distance with the additional light. I've been shooting a couple of sample videos in the night. You can see it's definitely capable to record, but the main focus of this camera is definitely during the day and underwater, where it's working absolutely amazing. So this can be an awesome beginner's camera or something special for the beach vacation, maybe for your children, teenagers or so, something to play around, have a lot of fun, create great memories. But of course, again, the quality is not anywhere comparable to a GoPro or so, especially not one of the latest GoPros. I've been comparing it to my GoPro 10 Hero Black, and of course, especially in the wide and super stabilization mode, the GoPro is on a total different level. We don't have to talk about that. Also the wide angle here. The field of view in this camera is quite limited, where we have almost 180 degrees. In the GoPro, total different thing, but of course also totally different price tag. But I would say for the price, it's still quite nice. You just have to know what you really buy. Maybe great gift for smaller children or so, or just having something for you which you can use in the water. What you also have to be aware of, that it doesn't have any kind of stabilization for the video mode. We only have stabilization in the photo camera mode, but this is not something which is special regarding this camera. This affects pretty much all of this kind of cameras which you find on the market. I think there is not a single one in this price class which has really good stabilization. But other than that, I would say, why not? You still get quite some value for the money. No perfect quality, but still something really interesting, especially for underwater recordings. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.